Germany fans have been banned from buying German football kits customized with the number 44 due to its resemblance to the symbol used by World War II-era Nazi SS units. Adidas has taken the step to block personalization of the jerseys after media highlighted the issue. The SS units were notorious for their involvement in crimes against humanity during the Nazi regime, ranging from Gestapo agents to concentration camp guards. Historian Michael Koenig raised concerns about the design of the kits, calling it very questionable. Despite the controversy, Adidas spokesman Oliver Bruggen clarified that the resemblance to Nazi symbols was not intentional, emphasizing the company's stance against xenophobia, anti-Semitism, violence, and hatred. The kit's away color in bright pink has also stirred debate, with supporters viewing it as a representation of diversity, while critics argue it is untraditional and a money-making tactic for the German Football Association, DFB. The German Football Association, DFB, has faced criticism for its decision to switch from German company Adidas to American giant Nike as the manufacturer of German football kits, starting from 2027. Economy Minister Robert Habeck has condemned this move, labeling it as lacking patriotism. Adidas has been producing German jerseys since the 1950s, but the upcoming change has sparked controversy. Despite the manufacturer change, Germany is set to host this year's European Football Championship across 10 different cities. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.